Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I have yet another record here and I haven't put tape on it, so I'll just do that. I've put a little bit of tape over the hole to hold the paint so it doesn't dribble through, and then I will show you. Okay, so there you go, that's all you need to do, and that's just a piece of masking tape. You can use sticky, anything you like. Then I put, then the hole where you see the paint doesn't go through it, but that little hole will fill with paint and it will dry, so that will be nice and flat and you won't see the hole at all if you leave the tape on, otherwise the paint might fall out. But so you leave the tape on if you don't want the hole, but if you do want the hole, take the tape off. Then you just get a steak knife and poke it through the hole and turn the steak knife a couple of times and it'll take that paint out of there altogether for you. You do that if you're going to put a clock there or some other paraphernalia on, and that's how you do that. So I'm going to do a swipe. And I have some paint left over from a previous, so I'm going to put that on because it was ever so pretty. And I also have some here that I tipped off, and I'll just scrape it down. And then I'm going to put my colours on the top, you see, to swipe. And I'm going to use purple, green and white. Now there is silicone in the purple and green, and silicone mixed up in there. Right, so that's one cup can get washed, and a grumpy gold spoon. And so, well, what I might do first is just tilt this around a bit, and I might just do it like this, because I only want it for a background base coat, but it's still very pretty. And I'm not worried about the silicone in this base part, because even if it comes through, they're pretty colours, nice mauves, bit of sort of a grey. Okay, so that's pretty good cover for a base, for a swipe. And I want my hands. I think I should have got shares in the paper towel company or something. I'll use that much of it. So here we go. I'm going to put on some purple. Just like that. And some green, because it's very pretty. It's nice and bright, this green. And around the outside. I might just do a sprinkle of black. Going to come out black. Liven it up a little bit, and white. Doesn't much matter where you put the white on these, as long as you go straight across, you're still in the middle because it's circle. Oh, I just thought I'd say that. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below Show More underneath this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. Oh, come on, be nice. Okay, you're gonna, don't give him a hand, he doesn't want to lie down. I wouldn't want to lay down in that either. Okay, here we go. That's a pretty one. But what I think I might do is get another piece of paper because I sort of messed that one up a bit. Down this way. That's really quite pretty. Actually, I bet I've got more colours under there. I might just take it up this way. Would I have more colour under there? The recipes, I think I said, were, didn't I? Underneath, show more below the video. Link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. Just let him go down this way a little bit. Just waiting for that couple of dribbles of white there. There's one hitting the edge now. And then I'll just take him back to the centre. Very pretty. Purple and green, who would have thought? Alright, wiping off the hands. And I'm going to torch it. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And I have a lighter there. Very pretty. I'll bring you down to have a look and you will notice that there you can't see where that hole was in the centre. So, very pretty. I'm still doing clocks for Christmas presents. Some of them, or most of the ones that are really, really pretty. So this one's no exception, very nice. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I don't know if you can hear my grandson in the background. He's talking to some friends of his in America, United States. Right. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, share. All very nice when people do that. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.